Good morning. Morning. Happy new week. Happy Monday. Today is September 11th. Sad day for a lot of people here, but we're like, I'm happy to be here another day. Thank you guys for being here. I really appreciate you guys. Let's go. I think we finally have some move in the market because last week was horrendous, like horrible. So, big gap up in the market today. Um, my main watches are Microsoft. Okay, so let's go over my watch list. My watch list today is Apple, my Microsoft, Tesla, and if we have a weak market, I like AMD for a put play, but that would only be if we have like the Q being weak or the Q trying to fill the gap down that it made from like this morning from pre-market. But mainly, I love Microsoft. Microsoft above Friday high, very, very bullish. So that's my main watch. Microsoft mostly. Like Microsoft Friday high. If can hold this support here. If can hold Friday high as support like around three, it's kind of like a bit level around 334 till 336. So that's the level that I'll be watching on Microsoft. I want to see it holding there for continuation for the upside. Tesla, if can hold 260. I don't know if it's gonna give us a pullback till 260 or maybe 262, but mainly I would love, love, love to see Tesla give me a pullback till 260. So that will be a basic break and retest. 260 was a strong resistance, now should act as support. Um, what's the other one? Oh, Apple. I don't think I'm gonna trade Apple, but I think it's important to see what Apple is doing because, um, you guys know Apple is like pretty much Apple by itself moved the market last week. So Apple 180, that's the level to watch today. If Apple can hold 180 as support, we're gonna go higher. If reject 180, we're gonna go back to at least 178. And I don't like how these daily candle Apple like close. Like on Friday, these are ugly daily candle, but with the gap up, yeah, 180 is the level to watch on Apple. 180, if hold that support, Apple is gonna go higher. It has a gap to fill above till near 182, a little bit below 182. I think 181.50. Yeah, 181.50. You have a gap there, and then, so everything's gonna open with a gap above and a gap below. So it's gonna be, I don't know. I don't know. So either the market holds the morning print and we go higher, or we kind of fade out, fill the gap that the market created pre-market, and then we find support after filling the gap down, and then we continue higher. I don't know, because tomorrow I think we have CPI, which is important, and then on Wednesday we also have data. Like, I'm kind of tired of this data coming up. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm kind of tired of that waiting for data to play. Especially because I love doing swing trade. I don't like doing like day trade. Like, it's not that I don't like it. It's just like I love doing swing trade and I find it very easy, way easier to do swing trade than scalping. I find kind of scalping and day trading a little bit nerve wracking, especially scalping, because I think with the scalping you need to put a lot of money on the line to make like 5% or 10%. So I don't like scalping. I do it because that's what the market is giving us right now, but if we can finally get rid of all that data that come up every single week, we can maybe have a market where we can swing trade. But I don't know, we'll see, because I know Feds are gonna speak this month, and probably the market's gonna wait for that because it's very important. But right now, futures are ripping. Futures are ripping. SPY looks like it's very strong. It has a gap above to fill till 449, a little bit above 449. So yeah, 449.20 around there. It looks like it wants to go there. I don't like when the market makes like big move pre-market, like what it's gonna do when the market open. But we'll see. We'll see. Okay, so AMD, AMD definitely weak. Okay, so we're dying here. Let's see, let's see. So far I like the Microsoft is holding here. I like this. I really like this. Tesla is giving back a little bit. Let's see if Tesla is gonna give us 260 and it's gonna hold there. But SPY is very strong, but I will not long SPY here. Like, I don't like longing here, SPY. Even though it looks very strong, but I don't know. We have a huge gap to fill below. I think now you guys can see me, right? So I'm gonna wait and see how SPY is gonna react to this gap fill. Airbnb. Ooh, Airbnb. If Airbnb can break and hold 147, it's gonna go. But it needs to break 147 and hold it as support. Yeah, Airbnb. Okay, so let's see if Airbnb is gonna give us a pullback here. AMD is crazy, crazy weak. Same with Tesla. Tesla is near 260. Let's see if we can hold 260. Morning, morning. Okay, Airbnb, AMD, it's under 106. If AMD loses 106 with the market going higher, Tesla is bouncing. Microsoft, it's kind of just there. The Q definitely strong, looking strong. I kind of like Tesla, but I want to see like a better 5-minute candle. Mm-mm. I kind of want to buy puts on AMD because it's so weak, and the market I think it needs a pullback. Yeah, I'm getting AMD 105. Wait, wait. Yeah, I got AMD 105 puts for this week. I like Microsoft here, but I don't know if the market can keep going higher here. Like the Q needs to break 376. Tesla's looking strong, and I like Microsoft, but it's just like I don't know if I want to enter calls here. So yeah, I like those AMD boots. Yeah, and this is so weak. Mm-mm-mm. Oh yeah, I like that AMD boots. If AMD loses 104, we can go to let 102 and then 100 if the market rejects here. Hell yeah. That was beautiful. I'm playing this reaction here on futures. My stop loss is gonna be this morning high. Ooh, the Q is very weak. Yeah, the AMD, like, pretty happy with that one. That was a good one. AMD was so weak, and I couldn't like. For me, it was like very difficult to take calls like at the top. Like, I thought the market needed at least a pullback. But be careful here because 375 could be a hold on the Q. So that play is 32% up. I'm gonna take a little bit of profit here. This is 33% up, 34, 36. I'm taking a little bit of profits there. The market still, like, the AMD still looks very weak. Oh yeah. Yeah. 104. I'm 43% of 45. I'm taking a little bit more profit here because we could see a bounce. But AMD is very, very weak. I'm 500% on future. I'm sorry, $500 on future so far. And 62% on AMD. I think AMD is gonna go to 102 and then 100 is the next one. We're going for the gap fill. Damn, the Q is so weak. Yeah, the Q, if loses here, 374, I think we're gonna go back down to 372, 373 to feel this week here. This week here. Airbnb and Tesla are still holding. I kind of feel like taking, I wanna take Airbnb calls, but with the market this week, I don't know. Let's see. If the Q holds here, that's bullish. If loses this support here, 374, it's very bearish and we're gonna go back down to 372. I think SPY still needs to go lower and fill the gap to at least 447.20, around there. Damn. Okay, guys, I need more likes because almost 100 people here and only 39 likes. I mean, that AMD play was beautiful. Oh yeah, we're flushing. Watch the Q. The Q break this level here. It's done so. I'm gonna start like taking profits on futures when SPY goes around 447.16, around there. But it could hold a little bit here. Okay, I'm 800. Yeah, so this here is my first PT for SPY, so it will be like Friday high. And then if loses Friday high, we're gonna go to at least 446.20. And then it's gonna be 445.50 around there. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna start buying, like taking some profits here on my futures. I'm gonna leave two runners there. I kind of feel like we're going lower, honestly. But if we're not going lower, I'll be looking to play Airbnb calls because Airbnb is holding 146. But I will wait and see if can go back to 147. How you guys doing so far? What did you guys trade? AMD, the Q, SPY, futures. Also, Tesla is holding very good. Tesla wants to run. So if we see a change direction on the market, it's either gonna be Airbnb or Tesla for to play the upside. Nice. So you play futures and AMD. You play the same thing as me. Okay, so we could see a bounce here. That's my first. We're near my first PT on SPY, but we still have a gap, the gap here till 445.60 around there. But I think we're going a little lower, at least 446.80. We should. Tesla like crazy, crazy strong. Let's see. Look, Tesla. Tesla really wants to bounce here. But I'm not, I don't want to play calls with the market still in a downtrend. Only if I see a SPY and the Q changing direction, but like it's very easy to see that the SPY is still on a downtrend, making lower high, lower high, lower highs. So not even one green candle here yet. But if we see the Q holding VWAP and INEMA as support, yeah, I'll be looking to play. I like Airbnb. But we're still looking very weak. Pretty weak. Okay, Microsoft is also trying to hold, even though it's under this pre-market level. But we're watching, just seeing what's our next move. Yeah, Microsoft is holding 336, but the Q is still extremely weak. Okay, I'm all out on my futures play. Um, I could see the Q holding here, so I don't know if it's gonna do it, but pretty happy with my trade already, what I made. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait and see what's the next one. I'm still holding some runners on AMD. Kind of like that hold there. Mm, yeah, I like Microsoft here. So what I like next is Microsoft, Tesla, and Airbnb. But still, we're still under VWAP and INEMA. Let me see how. Okay, so futures are on my level for a buy also. Yeah. So I think my next trade it will be if the Q can hold like VWAP and INEMA as support, which will be around 375, a little bit higher. But Microsoft, I like Microsoft here. I will see. This is very important. Are we gonna reject here or break this downtrend? This is this is important here at this level here. So far, it kind of looks like it wants to reject there, like a bear flag or just a retest of the VWAP and EMA. Yeah, Microsoft is looking great, but still, I want to see confirmation that we're changing direction. AMD is rejecting VWAP, so okay, I like Microsoft there. I'm looking for what's Microsoft, like what's a good good contract. Um, it will be weekly. Mm, the next one is 337.5. Yeah, that's rejecting. We're rejecting, so it looks like we're gonna keep going lower. I got in with few. I'm playing this rejection here on the queue. Damn. Five, $600, $700 already? I logged a little bit of profits on the queue already. But yeah, I think the queue is gonna go to 373. I had 5 or 6 contract and I'm down to 4. Let's see if it's buy loses the support here, the 446.89 around there. Uh, we're gonna go lower to 445.50 and fill the gap. I took a little more profit there. I'm holding only two runners. Two runners. Okay, this is like important level here. Are we gonna hold here or reject? Mm, check out this. The Q don't like it's really fighting this level. AMD is still looking very weak. I kind of want to like give it a shot to Microsoft because I can see that the Q doesn't want to like lose this level. Okay, I added like I got Microsoft, but it's very risky because the market is still looking weak. So I got Microsoft 337.5 calls for this week. I'm gonna get out if let's just see if loses this low of the day. But I don't recommend it because I think the market is still looking weak. I'm just playing a little bit with you have the link everywhere to join my Discord. I'm playing with games, so I don't recommend this Microsoft Play until I will if I were you I will wait until the queue breaks VWAP and INEMA and use it as support. Like at 375 it needs to use it as support. But the Q is still looking very weak, so I will not recommend. I don't recommend this play at all. I think this play to be a good one, we need to be patient and just wait and see what the Q is gonna do. Are we gonna lose this base here that the Q is making, or we're gonna keep going lower? I kind of feel like we're gonna go lower to 373. But Microsoft is holding, so I kind of like I wanted to like enter. I'm entering early. I like Tesla too. Tesla is looking great. Also, like if the market change direction, Tesla is gonna fly. AMD keeps looking pretty weak. I'm gonna sell one more, and I'm just gonna leave one runner because I can see the queue is like starting to make a base there. But it could easily be just like a break, retest, and then we keep going lower and reject there. Mm, 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 mm. Airbnb looks good for puts, honestly. Look this 30-minute candle here. That's a clear rejection of this level here. It's looking pretty weak. It looks great for puts. I'm not gonna play it because I'm still holding AMD, but I do love it for puts. Okay, the Q. Are you gonna keep going lower or higher? I think if this 15-minute candle closes like that with a big wick at the top, we're gonna keep going lower. And I'll add more to my futures play. Yeah, I add there. Yeah, we're dying. Why are you crying, Martinez? Why? There's I I don't know why you're crying because if you're in Microsoft, I was very clear in saying that I was early. So if you're crying because you got into a bad trade. Gonna start taking profit. Only two runners now. So why do you enter Microsoft? I told you guys it was a bad trade. Like, do not enter it and enter only A plus setups. That's it. I told you I was early, and the best entry was to wait until the queue breaks the VWAP and use it as support. So if you enter a bad trade, it's expected for you to lose money. CRM 224. Oh yeah. Exactly. If you needed just the one AMD play and that's it. Nothing more. Or the spy rejection here that I also call out and I play with futures. Or this rejection here on the queue. Like, Keen, you have like you can read like here, you have the Discord info here. Like it's not difficult to see. Also you have it on my bio. Um, I love, love, love to play gaps. Gaps are so easy. I love playing gaps. Look how beautiful and easy this is. So, spy, open higher. This is too easy. Open higher, right at resistance. Like open higher goes right at resistance, double top, and then it's just filling the gap. Double top here, you have the rejection of this other gap, and then now it's filling the gap down. And the same with the Q. Yeah, the Q is definitely going to 373. Like this level here. It's gonna go to here. Okay, so pretty happy with AMD. AMD was a perfect trade. Mm-mm-mm. Also, futures trades today were amazing. Were really good. So we're going slowly but steady down. Okay, bye, Martinez. Bye. Bye. Okay, looks like it's spy. It's kind of found support. So if I see a spy, well, no, I want to see the queue also finding 375 as support to try it again. Microsoft. Bye, David. Have a great day. Bye. Mm. I put him on timeout. He drives me crazy, honestly. He's always crying, and he's a guy. He's a man. He's not even a girl, and he's always crying. So Amazon is holding. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty strong, Amazon, but it's right at resistance right now. Like we either enter it here, but right now it's at resistance, so I would not chase that one. Yeah, we have a lot of data this week. Okay, got out here. Okay, so let's see. If I see the Q holding 375, I'm gonna play calls. But and on this area, I'm not gonna play anything until I see the Q holding 375 as support. So I'm still holding a few runners on um AMD. Um, I don't know. I don't like a spy upside. Like I know spy looks stronger than the Q, but before playing any upside, I want to see the Q holding 375. Like that's my level to play the upside. No, I don't have Microsoft. I'm waiting. I got out because here it lost my stop loss here with a big candle. And again, I want to see how we need the Q to go higher here to hold 375 as support. If not, we're gonna keep like either just being around here or we're gonna keep going lower to 373. I think the healthy thing for the Q is go back down and fill the entire gap till 372.65 around there. That's what I want to see the market do. Ooh, and I missed my entry. I should have entered in here for more downside. Yeah, I entered there on that pullback. Yeah, tag is very, very weak. Maybe it's Apple? What's Apple doing? Ooh, Apple. Yeah, we're definitely weak. Anybody on those Airbnb puts? Airbnb puts look juicy. Let's see. So yeah, we keep going lower and lower and lower. So this is, let me see. This is why I like Airbnb puts. So it's a clear rejection of this level here. And it looks like it has a head and shoulder also here. But um let's see. But honestly, the good entry was the rejection of 147. So it's kind of holding there. Let's see. Apple. Apple needs to hold 177 for the market to keep holding. If we lose at 177, we're gonna go back down to 176 and then 174. But yeah, it needs to hold these level here. What's Tesla doing? Tesla is holding pretty good. But yeah, it needs the market to go higher. But it's Tesla is looking very strong so far. Yeah, I'm trading micros. Minis get me too nervous. Like I pass all my evaluation accounts trading minis, but it was too risky. I think with micros, slow but steady, it's the best move. If if you want to start trading futures, use where is it? Here you have my link and use the safe 80 code so you have 80% discount. I got a bunch of new accounts because I think the 80% discount is very good. You only pay like $30, like 35, $32. You can just hold them there, and then if you pass, awesome. But if you don't pass it, you have more accounts at a discount. So that's why I got a bunch of accounts. What is Tesla? Next. I like Tesla. Tesla is looking pretty strong. I use 4 or 5. It depends how much. Everything depends how much I like the trade. It's the same like as options, like pretty much the same. If you like the trade, you take more contracts. If you're like meh, you take less contracts. But most of the time, I take like 4 or 5. It depends. Watch Tesla here. If can break this morning high and use it as support, is extremely bullish. So far, it's kind of having trouble there. But yeah, this triple top here on Tesla. How do you prevent taking Metrade? Just don't take it. That's it. Like there's no like trading is very easy. If something is not looking A plus, you just don't take it. That's it. It's all mental. Like trading is all your psychic. It's not too complicated. If the trade doesn't look A plus, just don't take it. That's it. Like this is what you can do. You can make a list of everything that you do wrong and you see it, and then just next time you just don't do it. That's it. You just don't do it. Like there's no like secret like indicator or setup or time frame. You just need to stop doing what you're doing wrong. Like the thing with trading is like we know what we're doing wrong and we know what we should be doing, but we just don't do it. And we need to be patient, like playing, like being patient. Yeah, it is simple but not easy. What's Microsoft doing? I'm all out of AMD puts. Let's see if the Q is gonna reject here VWAP or if it's gonna go higher. Okay, yeah, so I'm out of AMD. So buy. I still like Microsoft, but again, I need the Q to break 375. Mm, the market rebounding? I don't know. We need to wait and see. We only gonna know if the market is gonna break key levels and use it as support. That's it. Like I said, the Q needs to hold 375 as support. That for me will be confirmation that we're gonna go higher. But if we're still under 375 and we're still rejecting VWAP, we're still bearish. So far, it looks like we're gonna hold here. Let's see if this 5-minute candle is gonna close with a full body above VWAP or we're gonna reject again. That's the thing. I thought. Okay, let's see. Are we gonna reject here? Or okay, so we keep rejecting here. Like I said, to play calls on any tech, I wanna see the Q above 375. In fact, I got in on that rejection there on the Q to play the downside. Let's see if the 9 EMA is gonna hold it as support or rejecting again. And then if reject, I'm gonna keep holding. If hold it as support, I'm gonna get out. But SPY is looking kind of weak. Okay, I got out. Yeah, we keep rejecting here. Look, this is a beautiful rejection on 375. I got in on that on a few contracts there. On futures, I got in on futures. Like on that 375 rejection there. Taking some profits there. Despite fighting this level here, which is Friday high, really fighting there. Oh yeah, futures. We're gonna go down here, 45.18. Mm-mm-mm. I'm waiting to see if if ES can lose the support here, the same as a SPY, because we're gonna go down to 446 if it loses that. Yeah. Ooh, that was fast. I missed my entry there. I wanted to play ES, but instead I got micro on NQ. Mm-mm. Okay. So I'm pretty much done on the day. Like I had an amazing trade on AMD, amazing trade on futures. Like I don't need to keep trading. Pretty happy with my day today. One loser on Microsoft, but I knew that it went very, very small. I knew that that one wasn't like a good trade. I knew I was entering early. Thank you, John. Thank you. I tried. I tried my best. I tried. I still like Microsoft. I like Microsoft. It's just like I want to see the Q holding 375, but I mm, kind of feel like taking another shot on Microsoft because I really like that it's holding 336. Maybe I wait until later today until I see a SPY filling this entire gap. Mm. That is not gonna happen today, Martinez. It's already like the boom boom trade was AMD or the futures here or here. That's it. Right now you're not gonna have a boom boom trade. We're done for the day pretty much. What do you mean how much? Just what I don't know what you mean with how much spy close gap to how much. Like I don't know what you mean there. Thank you, Mir. Mm-mm-mm. Which level? Just go and see the. What do you mean? Like it's the gap. Like what's the gap on the spy chart? Like, you tell me, what's the gap? Let's see. Test time. What's the gap on SPY? Let's see if we learn something. The past, like, if you've been with me the past 3 months, I think you will know this answer. Let's see. Test time. Okay, I'm done. I'm done for the day. Pretty happy with my trade today. Pretty happy with my day. Like, I killed that AMD trade. I killed futures. Pretty good day for me. So. Yeah, guys, I'm done. Like, I don't see the point on keep trading here. That, in fact, I feel like I'm over trading right now. So, yeah, awesome day. I hope you guys learned something, or at least, yeah, learn something. That's very important. Even if you, I hope you guys made some money. I hope you guys learned something. If you don't make money, just learn, watch and learn, and wait until you're ready to trade. So, really appreciate you guys for being here. I'm done for today. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.